How to use Elicit AI for research. First, open browser and look for Elicit and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, enter your research question in the search box. For example, you can type, "What are the effects of artificial intelligence on education?" Click Search, and Elicit will find relevant academic papers using AI-powered semantic search. It can find papers even when they don't use the exact words in your question. You can now review the results, including the paper titles, authors, publication details, and AI-generated summaries. If you need a more detailed research report, use the research report workflow. Elicit can analyze relevant papers and generate a structured report with citations. You can also save useful papers to your library and export your research when needed. And that's how you can use Elicit AI to find, analyze, and organize research more efficiently. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful AI and how-to tutorials.